Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal easy to swallow. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your preferred liquid, such as water, milk, or a non-dairy option. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly brings out the natural sweetness and depth of flavor in your oatmeal, making it much more enjoyable and palatable. This simple combination forms the perfect foundation for a smooth, comforting bowl. Now, let's get cooking to achieve that wonderfully creamy texture. Pour your 1/2 cup of oats, 1 cup of liquid, and that tiny pinch of salt into a small saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. The key here is frequent stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes. This constant motion helps break down the oats, releasing their starches and creating a smooth, uniform consistency that is incredibly easy to swallow. To truly perfect your oatmeal's swallowability, consistency is crucial. If your oatmeal is too thick, simply add a tablespoon or 2 of extra liquid at a time, stirring until it reaches your preferred, pourable texture. For an exceptionally smooth result, consider a quick blend. Transfer the cooked oatmeal to a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend for just 10 to 15 seconds until it's velvety smooth, ensuring every spoonful glides down effortlessly. Finally, let's add some delicious flavor to your perfectly smooth oatmeal. Once cooked and at your desired consistency, stir in sweeteners like 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. You can also incorporate soft fruits such as mashed banana or a handful of cooked berries for natural sweetness and added nutrients. Serve your warm, comforting oatmeal in a bowl. It's now ready to enjoy, offering a delightful and incredibly easy-to-swallow meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.